and welcome back to another video for Kirkby Bank. This is the third update in the series of the building of this layout. And at the moment we're actually constructing the boards to actually put the track on. So in this video we'll look at the construction of the workshop curve, which is the curve external to the main shed. So tracks will exit the main shed, come across a bridge, go round the curve which is within this workshop, and then exit the workshop and go back into the main shed. So the curve was constructed of 12mm OSB boards using 9mm ply and 50mm strips to construct the structure to support the actual curve itself. So I've got a bit of a video for you to watch of how I actually done that. This is only a quick update, but hopefully there'll be many more, and the next update after this we'll be looking at the construction of the frames to actually put all the ply on, which is going to be 12mm ply. So thanks for watching this little bit, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. This is the underneath of the curve. I've got to strengthen that by putting plywood on the side. I'll show you that in a minute. Now I've done it with this rod here, which has got all the different radiuses marked off, and just move it around if I can just scribe on the board and then cut it with a jigsaw. Now to strengthen the board, take strips of 2-inch ply, or cut 2-inch, and clamp them around there, plenty of glue, and that'll give it some rigidity and strength. So now we get some screws. That's done. Right, that's the job done. It's just a case of I've used every clamp that I possess, and I'll just leave it for 48 hours now to go off. I just added some more ply to the workshop curve. This is the second half of the curve, and I'm putting some 4-inch sides on it, so that means there's 2-inch sides to the decking, just in case of derailment, nothing disappears over the side. So as you can see, there's the 4-inch ply. Well, it's actually 9mm ply. There's a lot more ply on the outside than the inside, because it needs it, because it's got a further distance to go. So there is 5 layers on the outside and there's 3 on the inside, but that will give it tremendous strength. The only thing I need to do is I'm going to put a 4-inch piece of ply on the outside of this, which will give it just a bit of an edge, just in case of derailment, so nothing disappears onto the floor. So this will go round there like that, and then that piece construction goes in there. This is why some of the supports underneath aren't even. They have to conform with where the track goes, and then it'll disappear out there. So, right, the workshop curve is now complete. So trains will cross this bridge. There'll be 4 lines coming across here. two for the outside and two for the inside, going into the workshop there, around this curve. This track is only temporarily laid and nowhere near what it will be like when it's done properly. And goes round there and we'll go out there. Right, so this is where 4 lines will exit the workshop, go along here. In this location we'll have a junction, so 2 lines will continue along the fence up that way, and then there'll be 2 lines continuing into the shed just under the window there. So that's what it's like from the workshop side. Pull out on that, all the lines will converge and go underneath there and eventually end up into the storage part of the main shed. The tracks from the workshop storage sidings will then go out that way, go up here, go across the bridge here, over the top of the cement mixer, and in through holes we cut in the shed there, and that will link up with the storage area which will be below the main layout. So this is where tracks will come into the main shed, which is below the main layout, because the main layout will actually be at this level. Thank you for watching the video about the workshop curve. Hopefully that gives you a better understanding of what was involved in its construction and its part in the main layout. So I'm trying to build this channel, so it'd be really appreciative if you could click and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video. So bye for now.